Welcome to Tech Tutorial. So today in this tutorial we are presenting how to create a local WordPress site. So now let's start exploring how to create it. So our first question before we start creating it is why creating a local WordPress site. So this is the answer to the question. Creating a local WordPress site is a common practice among developers and site owners. It allows you to test WordPress without creating an actual website on the internet. So the advantage of creating a local WordPress site on your computer is it will make you to have more mastery experience on WordPress without, the example, getting a new server, like purchasing a server from the internet to enable you manage your tasks. So like example, you can, if you are a team developer and you have created a team and you want to put the thing in practice, so you can use a local WordPress site to test it, and the same thing applies to a coding developer. So as a site owner, and if you are a beginner at WordPress, to enable you that to not enable you make damages on a live site, so you can go to a local site and have your practice on it. So and later, if you are done, you can migrate to a high rated server. So now note, local websites are only visible to you on your computer. You can try a different WordPress theme and plugin, test their features and learn the WordPress basics. So these things apply. So the local host, the address of a local site is localhost, so it's only visible for you, it cannot be visible for others. So now requirement for setup, we have a computer, a good internet connection, that's an internet connection, and a web server software that supports PHP and MySQL on your computer. So all will be discussed in this tutorial. So let's get now let's begin the tutorial. So in this tutorial, above you check the intro, the last intro that I did. So I said we need a web server. So there are many web servers out there, so but we are going to use a specified web server for this tutorial so that you can grab it more and more. So now let's go to get the web server. How you can download the web server? Let's go to www.apache friends. So this is Apache friends.org. So what is XAMPP? XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. So XAMPP is completely free to install. Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, PAL, and the XAMPP open source package has been set up which are incredibly easy to install and to use. So now if you want to get it, so you can click on download for. It depends on your operating system. If you are using Windows, so this is for the Windows. If you are using Linux, so this is for Linux. If you are using Mac OS, so this is for Mac. So if you are using Windows, so click on XAMPP for Windows. So this is it. It's going to start to download now. So for me, I've already downloaded it, so no need for me downloading it again. So this is mine. So this is mine. So this is my own XAMPP control panel. So this is it. So I'll show you now how you can get the WordPress file installer. So now let's go to WordPress.org. So this is it. WordPress open source software. So this is the site, the official site. So now click on get WordPress. WordPress.org download. So let's continue. So there are several ways to get WordPress. The easiest is to go to the hosting provider, so you can install it on hosting provider. That is a live site. So but also we are using a local server, so that is in our computer. So but since tech savvy folks prefer to download and install themselves, so also we are going to download and install it by ourselves. That way you can use it to a web browser or with your browser, and so we are going to use it by ourselves. So now let's get it done. So now this is the WordPress. It depends on two files. So this is the zip file and the tab.js file. So this if you are using easy WordPress file, so you can download it. So if you click on here, you can download it. But I've already downloaded mine, so no need of me downloading it again. So now you are done after your WordPress download. So go to your system file explorer, that is my computer. So get the file. So this is the file. It depends on the area where you keep your download directory. So some major computers will download directly. So this is it. So this is my WordPress. So this is my WordPress software. So now right click on it and copy. So after you are done copying, then navigate to my computer. So this is my computer. So click on it. So after you click on it, locate the xampp area. So this is the xampp folder directory. So then locate htdocs. So this is the folder htdocs called htdocs. So click on it. So now you are done. So now just right click on it, then paste. So now this is WordPress 5.7.1, which is the latest version. So now right click on it, right click and extract it. So now it's going to extract. So now it's going to extract it. So this is the new WordPress. So this is the files on the WordPress, the files that make it work. So we don't tamper with any of these files because each of them are very important. So now let's click on it. If you like, you can leave the name and do so, but me I'll change it to a name of a more simpler so that I can record so many pages on the web. So this is it. So the web I've already renamed it. So let me go to my server first. Before I start, I'll need to enable my server. So this is my server. Click on start. It's going to start the PHP and the MySQL and the database. That is the MySQL database. So now click on here. So now let's go to our localhost address. So this is the localhost address. The folder of where your WordPress is located. That's where. So then so now it's done. WordPress setup configuration. So this is it. You can choose any language. It depends on the language you understand. For me, I use English, so I use English. So choose it and click on continue. So welcome to WordPress. Before you get started, you need some information on your database. So the database name, the database username, the database password, the database host, and the database prefix. So for database prefix, if you want to run more than once in its WordPress in its main database, so for the database prefix is like the name, like its identification or specification that you specify the database. For example, you say WP underscore that is 1 for a first database and WP underscore that is 2. So now we are not going for this. So let's continue. So click on let's go. So this is it. Now this is the WordPress. So below the database name, so we need to first register our database name. So now this database that I'm going to do is, so I will use the database name of web. So this is the database name. I'll use the database of name web 101. So this is my database name web 101. So for this username, remove it and just leave it as root. Your database username, just leave it as root. So your password area, you need to leave it. So the database host is localhost. So you should be able to get this information from the web host if you your localhost or not. So we use the localhost. So now this is the database prefix I'm talking about. So for example, this database prefix is underscore WP underscore. So if you run another database, you can use WP underscore 1, WP underscore 2, WP underscore 3. So no need for that. So because we are not concentrating on this tutorial, so in our other tutorial we can use it, guys, in our next tutorial. So now let me show you how you can register the database. So now let's minimize it. So go to our server, local server. So then click on my SQL. So click on admin, the admin area of my SQL. So it's going to direct us to PHP my admin. So now it has redirected us successfully to PHP my admin. So then click on password. This must a password, so you can change a password. So let me change a password. I will change the password. So this is my password. So this is the password. So now my email address is accepted. So now it's done. So click on install WordPress. So okay, the title. So I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake in my email address. So now I know everything will be correct. So let me show you